Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we've come to that part where we platform a new artist. It's a new week, and today we've got AOK in the building. My G.
Yeah,
Are you ready, my bro?
Yeah, I'm right.
Alright. Let's just get straight to it and not waste any time. You feel me?
Yeah, cool.
Assam.
Yeah, AOK.
16 bars.
AOK.
Assam.
Sure. Bathi khanka malikhankasa mele likhankase emakhankeni masamba sambelani bathanda ukuhamba lami izihambele inkakha ibonakala sazi bayibone njani ontathela isidwalo besifojela so besikhahlela amaparela isithombe sakha ngazi ukuthi inamba zami uzithethele kofakazi ukuthi lensizwe ithanda abafazi pronto phela inyamazana ekhonzwe ngamantombazana ingane ezoxabana enye ingane kwanenye enganani style samapansulenda nzwani lo muntu obhayizayo malikhala thina so besiphalafala sikhathala koma ngalothalala so besidala thina sihlangana obaba upele usabababele enthathe nguthathaya ngicela ilutho mina ngiyazithathela AOK social level uphetha abanye online sagila imkhuba kudala esigela sikhanda opotshwe efensini abafana abaphaphayo kulamalanga futhi angixolele mulele emakasana isiphetho keva bazokugaxela imgaxo egoqa umsila vele estradini ayilasabela akuhamba abahambayo abasalayo bazolandela ukudlala bangadlala kodwa like bangadlalela isiphila ukuze siphele umfana mele eqale ekhahlela kokugijima amavila kuzase kulamulabo igame driver crazy labo mrapper ngama-passenger bahleli ngemva kwami qala mina sebelandela dala mbalalela manje lalo leli xesha inkinga ringi itsotsi itala ngimazi lo zabatolikela ufuna imali eningi ezenza bethi mhlambe nithwele samba sangempela manje angikhethi noma eshisa indoda mele itheshe gqoka iwovoros ngcono mphathi izikhali vele labakhuculula izinja zami ezikhulula ama-president sishiye kungela evidence angizwani lamavila ngijinyiswa imali futhi ayikaze vele inele yikho ngisipana overtime ya khala kuphela igeja makukhanda iplan yemali yikho ngithola ndlamajida but thanda ukuhamba ngedwa ngoba imali idala izitha andithemba imuntu special abamvezela amazinyo ngoba abantu othi abafoweni bangakuphendukela izinja lapho ngiyafakaza
AOK, my G.
Straight out from Phumula South
in the building. Thank you for coming through, shutting it down, my brother. You said the production is who?
Godzilla
the producer. Big shout out. Skies Metro FM, Kwela Initiative, Sound of the City.